The secret to an unforgettable Goan meal lies in its spices, and chicken Xacuti is the perfect example of that magic. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. In this bowl I have added 250 grams of chicken pieces washed. I added salt. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mixing it well. We'll keep this aside and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Next, place a pan on medium flame, add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 5 black peppercorns, 6 cloves, half inch of cinnamon stick, 3 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 2 strands of mace, 1 small piece of nutmeg, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 petals of star anise. Now we will roast the spices for a few minutes until they release that warm aroma. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Roast for a few seconds and then transfer into a bowl. Next, in the same pan, we will heat some oil. Then we'll add 5 Kashmiri chilies, 5 small cloves of garlic, half inch of ginger, peeled and chopped. Saute for a few minutes. Now I am transferring it into the bowl. In the same pan, add 1 sliced onion. Saute until it turns golden in color. Transfer it into the same bowl. In the same pan, add 1 cup of grated coconut. Roast until the coconut turns light brown in color. To this bowl, I am adding a small piece of tamarind. As you can see, the coconut has changed color. I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder. We will roast it until it turns golden in color. Then remove the pan from the flame and let it cool. Next, place a kadai on medium flame. Heat little oil in it. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 stem of curry leaves washed and wiped. Saute. Once the onions turn translucent, add salt. Next goes in half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I am adding 1 chopped tomato. Then goes in the marinated chicken. Mix well. Next, add water as required to cook the chicken and mix well. Add 1 green chili slit. Cover with the lid and let it cook. Stir in between. Meanwhile, in a mixer jar, add the cooled coconut, the roasted and sauteed ingredients along with the tamarind which we had put in this bowl. Add water as required. Cover with the lid and grind. Transfer the ground masala into the kadai. Mix well. The chicken soaks up all the flavors beautifully. Since there was some masala remaining in the mixer jar, I added water to it and now I am transferring it into this kadai. Add more water if required and mix well. Now I am adding one potato peeled and chopped. Since I like potatoes, I added potatoes. If you don't want to add potatoes, you can skip it. Next I am adding less than half teaspoon of chicken stock powder and mixing it well. Now I am adding half cup of thick coconut milk. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. You can taste the gravy and add more salt if required. Cover with the lid and let it cook. Stir in between. Slow cooking is the secret to tender chicken and deep flavor. Add some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix it. This dish always brings back memories of family meals. The potatoes are cooked well. The chicken pieces are also cooked well. The gravy has also thickened. I am switching off the flame. Chicken Xacuti is ready to be served. The chicken Xacuti looks rich and inviting, with its thick gravy that clings beautifully to the tender pieces of chicken. The aroma of roasted spices and coconut fills the kitchen, making it hard to resist. Every spoonful is flavorful, warm, and comforting, just the way a perfect Goan chicken Xacuti should be. Chicken Xacuti goes beautifully with poee, bread, or pulao. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again with another delicious recipe. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.